Good evening, my people all over the world. All the freedom fighter all over the world, I greet you all. I thank all my returning subscriber, everyone that has subscribed for me. I appreciate every one of you so much. God bless you. Those that are helping me sharing my video, those that are helping me for subscribers. May God bless you in the name of Jesus Christ. This is Fidelity Patrick YouTube channel. I speak reality about what I saw, about what I know. This message, I want this message to go round. Anybody that will see this message, please share so that people who will be able to defend the people of Anambra. The people of Anambra, they are in a great danger. What the army and the police are doing in Anambra State is genocide. Is genocide, my people. This will only happen in a country whereby there is what? War. What the Anambra people are facing now is evil, is bad. That is the reason I want everyone that will come across this video to help me share this video. Share this video through you. It's my rich people that will draw the whole world attention to watch what is going on in Anambra. The killing in Anambra. The killing of innocent children. Not even adults. Innocent children in Anambra. The blood of those children is upon every political leader in Anambra. It's upon every leaders in Anambra. Because all of you, both them Ifeanyi Ubah, their hand is upon this thing. Those guys are just trying to deceive them. IPOB deceiving the rest Igbo people because of their selfish interest. Because of your election, the blood of innocent children are being split in the land of Anambra, and you believe you will become a governor of that state and have peace. You cannot have peace. A lot is going on, my brother. Share this video. If you are watching me now, share this video to reach people that will draw the attention of the whole world in what is taking place in Anambra. This do not happen in Libya, when NATO go there and started what? Fighting Mama Gaddafi. What is happening in Anambra now secretly? The people have no light, they have no phone to cover anything. And all the IPOB leader, all the freedom fighter in Biafra, I'm not seeing what you guys are doing. I'm not seeing what you guys are doing. Do not let the whole world see you guys. You are just on social media doing propaganda without no adequate preparation for these people. You know Nigeria government, they are evil. You know Nigeria government, they are killer, destiny killer, dream killer. And you are making mouth on social media without adequate preparation for this. You allow innocent children to be killing by the soldier. The soldiers are shooting aside, spraying bullets in civilians' house, in civilians' community. Can the whole world say they are not seeing what is happening in Anambra State, in Nigeria? My people, evil is taking place in that land. Blood are being sharing, innocent children, blood are being sharing in that land. Soldiers are burning down a whole community in the name of Eastern Security Network. in the name of IPOB, in the name of Biafra people. If it is election you want to do, people say they want their people to sit at home without forcing their people to sit at home. Why can't you also do it the way if really you guys are in charge of that state? Why the Buhari government want to cause war in Nigeria? As they are bringing those Boko Haram soldiers to Anambra State now, the same way the bandits and every one of them, all the terrorists, they are bringing them down to Anambra to kill the innocent people of Anambra, just as the way you people wipe away the real Hausas in the northern part of Nigeria. Today, Fulani is everywhere in the northern part of Nigeria. No, the real Hausas that own the land are now few. They are afraid to speak. They are afraid to talk so that they will not die. Today, Buhari government is causing war in Nigeria. Where is the ECOWAS? Where is the Africa? Where is the African leaders? You people are folding hands. Allow what is happening in Nigeria, in the southeast, to be happening. Why the Nigerian army are always like this? Because the Northerners, they are in charge. They give order. Boko Haram bandits, Fulani herdsmen that have been killing thousands of people daily basis. None of them, if this is the way they invaded the Sambisa forest, I don't think Boko Haram will still be alive today. If the way the whole security agency now, DSS, civil defense, police, army, navy, custom, if this is the way all of them go to Sambisa forest, I don't think Boko Haram will still be Boko Haram issue will still be a story of the day today. My Igbo leaders, why are you people like this? Why are you people always like this? Just because of governorship, you want to become governor of your state. You no longer care about your people. You no longer think about the generation to come. They are wiping away, killing little children. Why? What are these little children done to you people? I cannot be showing all those videos here, my people. Where a Fulani soldier were spraying gun to people's house. Are we in war in Nigeria? Please share this video so that people will share this video to draw the attention of the whole world to what is happening in Anambra State in Nigeria. Leaders of the world, if you people refuse to do the right thing, refuse to come for the aid of the people of the southeast, I see no reason why we should be calling ourselves one in unity. I see no reason. My people, a lot of video are there that people cannot show it in the YouTube. This is the reason why you see that they love YouTube. YouTube will tell you, you have something you can show here. You have something that you cannot show here. Those are the things. How can you be killing people? Innocent children. In the name you are looking for IPOB. In the name you are looking for ESN. Why don't you go and look for those people that you say you are looking for, than shooting people, burning people's house, making people homeless? The people that want to vote for you people, they are making them what? Homeless. The truth of the matter of this game, do you know what they are trying to do? They use this IPOB at the Biafra agitation as an opportunity to invade Anambra land. And who gave them that opportunity? The political leaders. The Mufayumba, the Soludo, all the political leaders in that state, they are the one that give this evil criminal soldier to come and kill their people. Politicians are the one playing this dirty game. Hide under in the name of Biafra agitation, ESN. They are the ones sending their boys to go and destroy some party rally. To go and send their hoodlums, their evil what? Body guys. To go and destroy some political rally. Not the ESN. The politicians, they know the game they are playing. They know what they are doing. The security forces, they know what is happening. But because Nnamdi Kanu is agitating for the freedom of Biafra, the security agency don't want to say the truth. The politicians in Anambra State, they are the one doing all those evil. They give gun to their body guys. They give gun to their assassins to begin to kill people in Anambra State because of power. Because of power. You are killing the people you want to rule. PDP will hold rally. APC politicians will set up their what? Evil machinery to go and scatter the rally. ABGA will hold rally. APC politicians will set up their evil machinery to go and scatter the what? The rally. And put it on IPOB and ESN. Those guys that have been operating, they are not on no gunmen. Everybody should sit down and watch what is going on in Anambra. You will see that this is the play truth. It is the politicians. It is the politicians who are doing these things. It is the politicians in Anambra who are invading their own states, who are killing their own people. My people of Anambra State, this is the time for every one of you to be wise. This is not one Nigeria. The way Northerners are doing now, it will make Nigeria to really what? Scatter into pieces. Very soon, the eyes of everybody, every leader in different regions will be open. That the Northerners are using them. That is why you see some group who are not in government in North, they will come out and say, hey, go and arrest Nnamdi Kanu. Go and kill people there. They will go and kill. They are the one giving order. Miyetti Allah. Is Miyetti Allah part of Nigeria government? Is Arewa part of Nigeria government? All those organizations you see that they are forming in North, they are organizing all those things, enable them to achieve their evil agenda. And yet, our leaders are not be able to open their eyes to see the evil, the danger that is ahead them because of their selfish interest. You want to be governor of Anambra State by killing your people, by killing your brothers and sisters. You want to become the governor of Anambra State. My Igbo brothers and sisters all over the world, if you people do not speak out for this atrocity, genocide that is taking place in Anambra State, Igbo is gone. The race of Igbo is what? Is gone. If you people refuse to address this issue before it will what? Get out of your hands. What is this problem all about? These children that those soldiers were just killing, those children, they have vision. They have what? Dream. They are leaders of tomorrow. The politicians now, they are happy. There are army everywhere. They are happy. It's election you guys want to do. Do the election and leave the people alone. Don't be using people's life to be playing politics. Nigeria politicians. It is the politician now. They are the one that have been causing all this mayhem. They are the one that have been causing all this killing. Because they try always to make sure they subdue the people, they put fear on the people. APC government, this is what they know how to do. This is what they know how to do. Ifeanyi Ubah, stay away from evil. If you really say you want to help your people, you want to save your people, stay away from bloodshed, my brother. Stay away from bloodshed. It's very bad. Stay away from bloodshed. How can they be burning village down, killing people in the name of election? In the name of they want to do election. I don't know if somebody know what I'm trying to bring out for you guys. In the name of election, a lot of guys, a lot of young men, young boys are going down. Some are in prison. Some are just big queue secretly inside the bush, and they take them to what? To the river and drop their body there. Those things are happening in Anambra as I'm talking to you. So people are missing in Anambra. People, community are running away from their community in Anambra. So have moved away from Anambra to their nearest neighbor village. What is happening? Why the government, Nigeria government is like this? Bandits are there. Herdsmen killing people are there. Boko Haram are there. If the way Nigeria government now recruit army and take them to the southeast now, that is the way they invade Sambisa Forest. I don't think that will be Boko Haram again. I don't think bandits will be operating in Nigeria again. This to tell you people, Igbo people, that the Northerners know what they are doing. And the governors, because of your greediness, because of your selfish interest, you allow your enemy to invade your home, your village, your town, your family, unknowingly to you that you are the next target. You are the next target. Because when you have nobody, you are very easy to what? To pick away. You are happy now. Yeah, we have come for them now. But let me tell you people something. Whatever that is happening in Anambra State now, I strongly believe that the end of it will be victory for the innocent people you guys are killing. For the sake of the innocent blood you guys are sharing in the name of election. They want to, they begin to tag IBOB is the one, Onogome, IBOB, Onogome are the DSS, are the police. Onogome are political talks. Onogome, they are political talks. They see where Abga want to hold rally. They go there and invaded them. But when Ifeanyi Ubah hold rally in that same area, nobody touches them. Nobody scatter the rally. People may be thinking the people love them. Nobody in that Igbo now love APC. Those that there is hunger in the land, they use money to attract people to come for their rally. They are not sharing 5,000. Anyone that come for rally, 5,000. Those are the trade they are doing. The money that's supposed to repair, that's supposed to use to repair Nigeria, to give the citizen good road, to give the citizen stable light. The same money they are spending on election now. Anybody that come to power will begin to store money in the warehouse in the name of coming election. My people, the army are killing people in Anambra. Army are killing people, seriously. Army are killing people. People are dying. Not only adults, little children. They're just spraying gun as if it is war front. Even Libya, Syria, where there is war front, they don't even shoot the way the Nigerian army were shooting, facing people's houses. People may be inside that house that you are shooting. Children may be inside that house that you begin to spray gun to. My people, this madness must stop. If IPOB do not prepare for this, there is no need for you people to be making out in the social media. You should expect this to happen. You should prepare for this, that Nigeria government, because their way of thinking is too barbaric, it's too low because of their low mentality in that country. Those that go to school, when they behave, you will be surprised. Do they really go to school? Yeah? Killing people in Anambra State as if you are killing animal in the bush. Animal in the bush in the civilized, in the Western world. Animal in the bush even have what? Protection. Government protect the animal in the bush. You can't just wake up now and say you carry your gun, you want to go and kill animal in the bush. In the Western world. It's impossible. Yeah? What is happening, my people? I drop this message for anyone that will come across it to help me share. God bless you all.